Tired of tedious coloring in Adobe Animate? Let's quickly master the bucket tool and transform your animation workflow. First, open Adobe Animate and draw a simple shape, like a circle or square. Using the drawing tools, ensure your shape has a defined outline, as this helps the bucket tool work effectively. Now, locate the bucket tool in your toolbar. It looks like a tilted paint bucket with an arrow pointing towards it. Select it. You'll see adjustments in the Properties panel. In the Properties panel, you'll find options to customize your fill. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, all the usual suspects. Select a solid color first. Click on the fill color to pick the color you need from the color picker pop-out. Select the color. Now, move your cursor over the outline of your shape. Your cursor will now resemble the paint bucket. Click inside the shape, and voila! It's instantly filled with your chosen color. Let's tackle more complex shapes. If your shape has small gaps in the outline, preventing a clean fill, adjust the gap size setting in the Properties panel. You can choose from close small gaps, close medium gaps, or close large gaps. Pick the option that best fits the size of the gap. With close small gaps selected, click again within your shape to fill it, noticing how the tool successfully closes the smaller gaps. Experiment and now fill other shapes or areas of a drawing with the bucket tool, making your workflow more efficient. You are on your way to coloring like a pro. Subscribe and keep watching for more Adobe Animate tutorials. #bucket tool #animation tools.